Hey tech enthusiasts! Today we're diving into something that sounds like science fiction but is becoming reality. Humanoid robots assembling our smartphones. Imagine walking into a factory and instead of traditional assembly lines, you see human-sized robots precisely piecing together the latest iPhones. This isn't a scene from a movie. It's happening right now. Meet the Walker S1 by UBTech. Standing at 5 feet 6 inches and weighing 167.6 pounds, this isn't your average industrial robot. It's a full humanoid machine designed to work alongside humans in complex manufacturing environments. But here's what makes this truly revolutionary. These robots aren't just pre-programmed machines. They're equipped with advanced AI that allows them to understand and plan complex tasks, navigate dynamic factory environments, adapt to changing conditions in real time. What's really impressive is how these robots handle precision tasks that were once thought to require human-level dexterity. From quality inspection to intricate component assembly, the Walker S1 is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And it's not just smartphones. We're seeing similar developments across the manufacturing world. BMW is working with Figure. Mercedes has partnered with Aptronic. And now Foxconn and BYD with UBTech. But what does this mean for the future of manufacturing? The key breakthrough here isn't just the physical capabilities. It's the integration of advanced visual systems that work in varying light conditions, sophisticated motion control for heavy-duty tasks, innovative cooling systems for continuous operation. These robots are designed to take on tasks that can impact worker health, like heavy lifting, repetitive motions, tasks in challenging environments. This isn't just another step in automation, it's a leap toward a new era of manufacturing where humans and humanoid robots work side by side. The real question isn't if humanoid robots will transform manufacturing. It's how quickly this transformation will happen. And from what we're seeing, it might be sooner than most people think. What are your thoughts on this robotic revolution? Drop a comment below and let me know if you think this is the future we need or if it raises concerns we should address. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech developments reshaping our world.